Hi guys, hello and welcome from nowhere. I am Nada and it has been 20 years since I have done art, digital art, so I am going to be doing another day's practice. So I wanted to try a different method today just because. So right now I'm going to start with a rough sketch. What would I like to sketch today? That is an excellent question. I think today. Hmm. Oh heavens, my brain just came to a complete and total blank. You know what? Let's just let's just play for a little bit. We're going to do. Who knew? Who would hope if I had, something to color with. Um, doesn't that look fabulous? You know what I should do? Well, that didn't work. Let's do. You rigged wreck. Fine. Just start over. Darn it. Just wanted to draw a bird. We'll start with something like that. Kind of looks like a blob. And then we're going to do another blob. This is the sketch. And we're going to do kind of a fantail. Do a little nose. It's a sleepy bird. Okay. I'm going to zoom it in just so I can get a little bit better of a grasp to this. Can you change the color of this? It's an excellent color. It's alright. It's good. You know what? I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna change it up. Change it up. Because I want to play with these other. I want to play with these other brushes. There was one down here that I wanted to play with. Where was it? Or was it? There it is. Crayon. Oh, something else that I wanted to do was I wanted to do some swatches real quick because I was having a hard time with this palette thing. So let's start with like a starting bird. Let's do red bird or yellow bird. Can I do red or yellow bird? We'll start with those for now. Actually, I want to make that bigger. I've never really played with these. It's a little too fat. How about do just the yellow on the tail. No, no. Crayon. It's kind of fun watching that. Watching the thing go. I know, I made a blob. A blob. But you know what? That's okay. Because it doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, I'm playing with brushes and I am having so much fun. Oh no, I did that wrong. Let's go back over here. Gotta get my layers. Gotta get my layers right. Whee. Okay. Let's make it smaller. Okay, now to take this one there. How do you do the is that button? What does that button do? Merge down there. Oops. That's not what I wanted. So new layer it is. And then we're going to there. There. I want to do property. No? No, no, no. Combine in folder. There. That's not what I wanted. Darn it. Okay. I want that layer. We're ready to go. We're gonna start adding. That's a little too dark. Okay. But I do want to take that one away just so I can see what I'm doing. Take not on that layer. Oops. Remember your layers. Nope, I don't like that. And then where was my swatches again? Swatches was on that one. Get that full opacity. So I have the thing. Doodly doodly doo, doodly doo, doodly doo, doodly doo. Yeah, I like that one. And then that one. There you go. There. Actually, you don't need to. To this layer. And a little bit. Just a little bit. And then just because I'm a dork. Okay, that's fun. Now we can turn this one back on. We can and then we can take it down here. He looks a little silly, but you know what? I like him. You would be really smart if I had another layer. I keep forgetting the layers. Oops. Now let's try. He's a very orange bird. Blur some of that. Blur. Lost in the blur. Lost in the blur. I'm lost in the blur. I need that one. It's okay. That'll be just it. Wrong button. It's okay. You wanna know why? Because I'm going to. I'm good with this one. Kind of fun. I like that one. Kind of like how that kind of blurs into each other. I like how it kind of blurs into the green. That's actually kind of neat. Oh, I need that one down here at the bottom where it meets the base of the tail. That makes it better. And I'm sorry if my voice gets weird because of the heat system. What can you do about it? Not much to do about it. All you can do is play with what you got. So that's what I'm gonna do. What you gonna do about it? Not much you can do about it. All you can do is keep on a little bit more at a time. Okay, now I do kind of want to take on the eraser just to kind of clean this up a little. Just a spot shot, just a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. After all, he's a very feathery bird. The feathery bird. Feathery bird! Okay, we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna grab that one again, because I do want to just kind of rough that edge out just a bit. Rough that edge up some. Rough that edge up some. Take some brown. Do just a little bit around the tail, get that depth in there. Just a hint of distinction. He's a very orange bird. Very orange bird. Orange bird. Orange bird. I guess you could call him an actual orange bird. I'm gonna add just a. Oh. Oops. Wrong color. Okay. I'm actually gonna kind of make him a little bit rounder. little bit rounder. So he's actually more of an orange. That's more fun. Even more fun that way. Scroll him down. Layer him up. And I'm actually going to take some green. Just splice that in there ever so much because of how well it layers when I go back and add some brown over it. And then if I take like this brown, even better that brown since we're at the lowest shadow point here. Trying to get that depth. I do want, whoops, that's a little narrow the brush here. There we go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. And we're gonna go again. We want the headpiece. Am I doing this all in the headpiece? Oh, pineapples. Whatever. I give up. I give up on the layers. I'm always in the wrong layer. Okay. A little bit of that green. Just actually, I don't like those eyes. I do not like those eyes. I mean, they're cool and all, but well, that didn't work. I'll just leave them. I'll just play with some. So I go in here with the dark. I wanted to do this whole bird without any black lines. Because I'm trying to figure this out. Let's do some. Da, 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 da. Just because I wanted to, I'm gonna add another layer. So it can be on the tippy tippy top. Tippy tippy top. Tippy tippy top. Tippy 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 top 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 tippy top 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 top. Actually, I want the yellow. Oh yes, oh yes. You know what would have been cool is if I had done this like it was actually a peeling orange, but you know what? That's hindsight's 2020. Uh, Oh no! I don't want to lose the opacity just. So I'm going to go in with the blur. Am I lost in blur? Am I lost in blur? Blur, 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 blur. I did all of this in crayon, mind you. No! Rats. Didn't click. Yes, much better. Much better. Much, 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 much better. Oh, gazillion million times better. Take dark. Go over that green to mute it. Oh my goodness, he's absolutely precious. He's just so precious. He's just so precious. He's so cute. Alright. And then I do want one other layer just for... Where'd he go? Way down at the bottom. Up here. And I don't really want to do a nest. I'm just enjoying my bird here. I do want crayon. I was using the oil pen. Good heavens! And then I kind of want. I do want a shade. I want a darker shadow, but I want it on the blue side of the hue. There you go. I do want to take that just a hint lower to kind of get that under hue. I didn't want to use a lot of purples on this. In fact, let's see if I can pivot it just a little bit. Just add that very, very subtle purple. Oh yeah. And then we're going to take this one, we're going to delete it, put another layer, put it underneath, and we're going to ta-da! Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Oh, he's just precious. I do want to just do. I want to take that one with the eraser. Actually, let me. We'll do the cleanup real quick. Oops. Got a little too close. Just a little too close. Wrong there. I indented just a hint too much. Indented, just a hint too much. A hint too much. A hint too much. Indented, just a hint too much. I don't like how much I took away. We'll leave him like that. Leave him like that. It's good enough for what it's for. Oh, he's so cute. Okay. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna call him done. Isn't he just so precious? Not bad for using pretty much primarily the crayon for the majority of this. Oh yeah, I like that. And I also didn't really use a line art. I mean, I gave him some definition, but there's no line art. Oh yeah, he's too much fun. So that is the fat orange bird with the tail kind of stuck in there for no reason. Oh well. Is he perfect? No, but from my first attempt at that sleeping bird, it turned out pretty good. Okay, we're gonna save as. I know it says day 4. That one's gonna be tomorrow. I mislabeled it because I'm not gonna be here tomorrow. So this is technically day 4. This is orange bird, and then there is not going to be a stream tomorrow, but there will be a video, which is the blueberries, which will be on YouTube tomorrow, so if anybody's interested. So anyway, there's our orange bird, there's our color palette. This was done entirely with the crayon brush, just about, and I think he turned out precious, and I'm really enjoying not having the line art and just using the colors to bring out the image. So I'll probably proceed